Hey there, future domain moguls! Ever thought about making money online, like serious cash? Forget those clickbait schemes. I'm talking about domain trading, the real deal. It's like the stock market, but instead of buying shares of Apple, you're buying pieces of the internet. Sounds cool, right? It is. Let's dive in. Think of it this way. You're buying digital real estate. Every website needs an address, right? That's the domain name. And guess what? Those names can be worth a fortune. We're talking thousands, even millions of dollars for the right one. Intrigued? Keep reading. Okay, so what exactly is domain trading? Simply put, it's buying and selling domain names for profit. Remember, a domain name is like the address of a website, like google.com. It's what people type in to find their favorite websites. Now, imagine owning a prime piece of real estate in a bustling city center. That's what a valuable domain name is like. Businesses and individuals need them, and they're willing to pay top dollar for the perfect one. You, my friend, can be the savvy investor who provides it to them. Ready to jump in? Here's the deal. First, pick a niche. What are you passionate about? Gaming, technology, pet rocks? Whatever it is, focus on domain names related to that. Next, do your research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to see what people are searching for. Once you've found some promising domain names, it's time to invest. Start small. There are tons of affordable options out there. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a domain empire. Be patient, learn the ropes, and you'll be well on your way to success. Section 4, Essential Tools and Platforms for Domain Traders. Alright, let's talk tools. You wouldn't show up to a construction site without a hammer, right? Same goes for domain trading. Luckily, we've got some awesome platforms to help you out. First up, GoDaddy Auctions. It's like eBay for domain names. You can bid on expiring domains or make an offer for one you love. Next, we've got Namecheap. They're known for their user-friendly interface and affordable prices. They even have a handy domain name generator to spark some ideas. And then there's Sedo, one of the largest domain marketplaces in the world. They offer a wide range of services, including domain appraisals and brokerage. Section 5, Strategies for Successful Domain Flipping. Now let's talk strategy. The key to domain flipping is finding names with high search potential and brandability. Think short, catchy, and easy to remember. Avoid hyphens and numbers. They're just confusing. And always do your research on trademarks to avoid any legal headaches. Another pro tip, look for expiring domains. Sometimes people forget to renew their domain names. Oops! This is your chance to swoop in and snag a great deal. Just be sure to check the domain's history before you buy. You don't want to end up with a name that's been blacklisted. Section 6. Unlock the potential of passive income with domain trading. So, there you have it, the basics of domain trading. It's an exciting opportunity to become your own boss, set your own hours, and potentially earn a significant income. Remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's a whole world of knowledge out there waiting to be discovered. Keep learning, keep exploring, and who knows? You might just become the next domain tycoon. The internet is your oyster, my friend. Now go out there and make some digital real estate magic happen.